Hello, everyone. So, when we talk about the modern Indian history or the time period of India's freedom struggle, Gandhi ji presided over the Belgavi session of the Congress at that point of time in 1924. So, going back into the history, in the time period before 1924, we see कि 1920s में non-cooperation movement हो रहा था. It was again withdrawn because of the Chauri Chaura incident. Gandhiji was imprisonment. He was imprisoned, and when he came out of the prison in February 1924, so उनके क्या concerns थे at that point of time? First was lack of unity between Hindu and Muslims, and second was जो internal party democracy की हम बात करते हैं, तो there was factionalism in the Congress which was more visible. So these were two main areas where he focused upon initially also and after his release from the prison also after 1924. So as we say he propagated the idea around satyagraha and the importance of non-violence. So non-violence is not just related to the action but it is also related to your belief. जैसे personal abuse या irritating conduct, lying, causing hurt is also a part of violence. That is somewhere also symbolizing violence or your violent attitude and thinking. Then untouchability was also taken up by Mahatma Gandhi and stated that this was also one of the major hindrances to Swaraj. Swaraj means self rule, या फिर total independence. Who all participated in the 1924 Congress session? The major leaders definitely like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, and even the leaders of Khilafat movement, the Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and the Shaukat Ali, they too participated here. And after this meeting or the session of 1924, we see कि peasant consciousness and their participation in the freedom struggle increased after this session. So this was, we can say, one of the major changes which occurred. इससे पहले peasant contribution या participation इतना ज़्यादा नहीं था in the freedom struggle. Again, khadi, weaving and spinning of khadi also, somewhere it was symbolized as an icon of Swaraj or empowering the vulnerable section of the society. So आज के टाइम में भी अगर हम देखते हैं कि 1924 session completes 100 years. So today also somewhere Congress is struggling to resurge back as a stronger, we can say, opposition political party. It needs to realign its ideas in terms of how it can play a constructive role as an opposition, which is also very critical in terms of stabilizing and strengthening the democratic forces in India.